If you're seeing Epic Games error code SU-BV04 or sometimes IS-BV04, that usually means the launcher has run into a build verification problem. In simple terms, the game files may be corrupted, your drive format may be causing issues, or there could be a hardware stability problem like faulty RAM. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix this without reinstalling everything from scratch. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot it properly. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common cause, corrupted installation files. The easiest way to check and repair those is by using Epic Games' built-in verify option. To do that, open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage and then select Verify. Epic Games will now scan the game files and compare them against the original installation data. If it finds missing, damaged, or altered files, it will automatically repair them for you. This step alone fixes the issue for a lot of players, so let the verification finish completely before moving on. Once that's done, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If the problem still comes back, the next thing you need to check is your installation drive format. This is very important because Epic Games error SU-BV04 can happen when the game is installed on a drive formatted as FAT32. FAT32 has a major limitation. It cannot handle files larger than 4 GB, and many modern games use files that exceed that size. When that happens, it can lead to corruption or build verification failures. To fix this, make sure the drive where the game is installed is formatted as NTFS instead of FAT32. If you're not sure what format your drive is using, open File Explorer, right-click the drive, choose Properties, and look at the file system. If it says FAT32, that's likely part of the problem. In that case, you may need to move the game to an NTFS drive or convert the drive if appropriate for your setup. After that, it's a good idea to check your RAM stability as well. Faulty or unstable memory can also cause verification errors and random game file issues, especially during installs or updates. If you've recently overclocked your RAM or enabled XMP and the system became unstable, try turning those settings off temporarily and testing again. If you want to go deeper, you can also run a Windows memory diagnostic or any trusted RAM test tool to check for errors. Once you've verified the files, confirm the drive is NTFS, and checked your memory stability, relaunch the game. In most cases, that will clear the SU-BV04 error and get you back into the game normally. If it still doesn't work after all of that, you may need to reinstall the game on a healthy NTFS drive, but usually the verify step is enough. So to recap, the fastest fix is to verify your game files in Epic Games Launcher, make sure your install drive is formatted as NTFS, and check that your RAM is stable. Then try launching the game again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.